What's up, you guys? I'm looking a little crazy today, don't mind me. But let's kind of go over today's session and what I'm looking at going into tomorrow. So let's kind of start with news on the schedule. We do have CPI and new home sales tomorrow. Just be aware of that. It's going to be our big red folder event for tomorrow. And kind of looking over the indexes, you can see that we just have these monster gap fills in the S&P and Nasdaq, followed by that grind higher with, very shallow pullbacks. YM and the Russell, one of my favorite trades for the Dow is that opening drive rejection. And you can see it really clearly here if I bump into a 3-minute chart. We open with that drive down. You see that sharp rejection right there, followed by that move up. And as you can see, we do kind of just trade into this 38% retracement all the way to those upside targets in the Dow. That's kind of one of my, it's like a go-to trade in my book. That opening drive rejection in the Dow is always really clean. With the Russell, same thing. This actually comes down to test that 78% retracement. Does go to those upside targets here at 2651. So that also traded. The Nasdaq and the S&P, not really as clean. We kind of just grind all the way up into those upside targets. So kind of looking over the previous session here, you could see that Sunday we did kind of have that sell-off during that Globex Open. Powell is going under criminal investigation or something like that. So whether that caused a sell-off, I don't know. But we did sell off in that Globex Open. Do have like a little bit you could see here of some positioning in London. So maybe potential for a net long in London, followed by that monster ripper gap fill up, runs into distribution at the highs, and we are, oh, extended hours are on. So you can see that